Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Outdoorman. Today we are going to be working on a 2021 Subaru Forester and replacing the in-cabin air filter. It was starting to make a little squealing sound. My wife noticed it, then I noticed it, and then I found the culprit. Dry leaves inside the blower housing. So we're going to go ahead and head outside to the vehicle out here and we'll get replacing this. All right, so we're gonna go and head inside of our Subaru Forester. You're gonna want to enter through the passenger door because that's where you're gonna be working from. So it depends on your size. You might want to slide your seat back. And you can do this if you're careful. You can also do this without emptying everything in your glove box. So see this little thing here? Take the pressure off it and push out towards the passenger door. Now it's loose. It'll still stay by itself. You're going to gently squeeze on this side and this side. Now let it rest down, probably around your shins. If you continue to let it go, it will come right out. So you don't need to look right here. That's what you're going after. See, it says up. This is what you're going for. That should be white. It's not. So the noise and the whistling I found, you can kind of still see some dry debris. See? It comes in up top, it goes through there. Through some fantastic engineering skills, through some fine Japanese engineers, and it makes its way down into here. That's your blower housing. That's what's blowing all your hot and cold air around. This is the filter that we took out that's filtering that air. Everything falls down in there, all the leaves and stuff get really crunchy, and this thing spins around really, really fast. And it makes a whirling sound with the leaves. So take your new filter. That's the one I'm using from our local auto store. That's the color it should be. Make sure you got the right part. This one as well. It says up. Arrow. It's directional. So you're gonna see that arrow, and you're gonna slide this in. One thing I didn't do, which if I was you, I would do, and I am going to do, I'm gonna try to vacuum some of this out as well as hit it with an air compressor. Make sure all that dry stuff's out of there so it doesn't whirl around anymore. Here's your up. Congratulations. You have just installed your new cabin air filter. Now to fix this, you're just going to gently bend, push in. You're going to gently take this one. You're going to gently take this, you're going to pull it to the passenger door a little bit. And then you're going to push it back to the driver's side till it clicks. Click. Okay? And that's it. Congratulations. You have just replaced your cabin air filter on a 2021 Subaru Forester. And there we have it. A lovely cabin air filter. Heavily used. It should be about that white. It's not. It's not even close. And by looking at that, so this should be done annually or every 15,000 kilometers or 10,000 miles. So this car's coming up to 75,000 kilometers on it. So this should be the fifth one of these that have been put in there by the dealership. I think they put in one or two. So yeah, be aware if the dealer is telling you that they've done these, because there's a very, very good chance they have not. And they're just telling you that. That's probably why my wife got a free filter on the last one. So this car's coming up, the 5-year warranty is done for 2021. No longer is going in for service. This guy's gonna be doing the servicing. So if you have a Subaru Forester or you're interested in this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. There's gonna be lots more coming out. And I'm about 1,000 kilometers away, 600 miles away from doing an oil change on this thing, and we're hitting the road this weekend. So next week will probably be an oil change on this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Lots to come. Thank you so much. Have a great day.